Oh, well, good morning, all you outdoor wicked adventurers. Where's my coffee gone? Get my life together. Made some coffee last night. It's hot as heck still. But we are packing up to leave the canal this morning, and Jeremy threw a goldfish out and caught a biggie, like probably the biggest smallmouth bass I've ever seen. So let me actually show you guys really quick. Check it out. Oh, what is it? Please don't get off. We haven't had, oh, what are you? Ooh, that's a big smallie, if that's a smallie.
You say it looked like a largemouth to me. I know it's a smallie.
That's a big smallie.
See if I get him up here.
You think you want to do that? Oh, oh, babe, that's a tank. That's a freaking tank, smallie. Holy shnikes. Oh, you got him.
You got him.
Oh, that's freaking awesome. Oh, oh my God.
Probably 17 inches, 17, 18 inches.
What a neat fish.
Very cool.
Heck yeah, babe.
I've been attacked before. Ready, guy?
Free and in the
You
wild.
just dove straight down.
Bye, guy. Oh, that's freaking awesome. Yeah, pretty badass, wasn't it? So it got us thinking. On our way back home, we hit all of these little I-80 lakes. We're gonna go check those out, you guys, and see what we could pull out of these crystal clear I-80 lakes. Probably one of my funnest things to do, and we've never taken you guys along with us, so come on and let's go hit up these I-80 lakes, see what we could pull out of them, shall we? We got our book out. I don't know where we picked that up, but
I-80 lakes.
I-80 lakes. Oops. Tell me what an I-80 lake is.
From excavation of sand and soil to build Interstate 80. So when they were taking...
You find them a lot under a bridge.
Yeah,
if you have an
overpasses.
overpass.
They dug out the dirt to make the overpass and then it filled in with water.
And so a lot of these actually look like
It's like
a
perfect rectangle.
yes. And we find lots of fish. Lots of fish. I can't forget my coffee. Give me my coffee. Give me a coffee in one hand and a rod in the other, and I'm just fine till a snag. First I-80 lake. What, babe? Oh shit, yeah. What the hell? That was a big frog. Oh, I see fish. I see fish. I don't know if you can, but I can. Look at they're biggies. Really cool if there's some red ear mixed in or something. What the heck, man? She went crazy. You kind of scared me. Woo! That's a goodie. Oh, yeah. All right, so is this a red ear? I think this is a red ear. Well, come here. Oh! I told you.
Yeah, that's right.
I told you that I thought that was gonna be a big one. Okay. These waters are so clear. Woo! Don't worry, I'll slow that down so I can even see the release. Holy shnikes! Oh, let me do this like beautiful release. And then torpedo mode. Okay. Ooh.
It's a regular bluegill.
That's a big bluegill. Oh no, you lost your eyeball. That's a big bluegill.
It's an 8-incher. That's the size you take for dinner.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, really crazy, man. That's awesome. Oh, that's awesome.
That might be
He's a
hybrid. Let's ask Wilkie about that.
That's interesting.
It looks like a bluegill, but then it has the red.
But it's a red, definitely like. That's cool. Hi, guy. Cool thing.
Belly flops.
Belly flops. Okay. We'll go splash around a bit. All right. Let's go tink around at this beautiful place for a bit. Crazy sucker. What the heck? Scared the crap out of me. What the heck? He's a neat guy. Looks like just a bunch of baby blueies. Off to the next place. Next destination. Thirst. I'm like, whoa, dude. What happened? Whoa. Talk about the wetlands. Of Nebraska. Oh, I guess that's not. How's it locked on there? Oh. Wah, wah, wah. We found a watering hole back there. Sorry.
The next ones are West Brady, Brady, and Chester Island.
Make sure they're not private. That's crazy. Okie dokie. Let's give this one a try. There's movement out there. And a lot of cotton. There's some fish over there. Ooh, there's a big something. Oh, is that what it is? A bass? Oh, it's a little deeper. Oh, what is that? That's just a bluegill that's real striped.
Oh yeah, he's fired up here.
Yeah. Oh, there's a couple like right in front of me that are big. Oh, you gotta get it through all the little ones though first. Perfect. Let's get our handy dandy guidebook out again. Not the big bass, but caught a bass. After I went back to worm though. No one wanted the corn, I guess. No corn for you guys. You want to head to the next one? They're finicky when they're spawning. Oh, this looks neat. Alrighty, what can we pull out of here? I see him. What's he saying? I hear him. What? You what? Lots of bass? It's super clear. Oh, okay, let's go see what he's doing. What a like little paradise. I know I'm gonna throw out to the right a little bit for. Let's see. Tell me if I'm in your way. What the?
Yellow perch.
Yellow perch? Oh, that's a new one. That's kind of exciting. Wow. Bye, guy.
Bye, guy.
Oh my gosh, that's funny. Bye, guy. Look at him down there. Oh my gosh, that's funny. What's over here? Man, it's crazy how deep it gets so fast. Hey, he's a pretty goodie. Let's go show Jeremy. I'm coming to show you my fish. There's no way that's a green sunny. His mouth don't look right. Is it? I mean, that's what I thought too, but I was like, look at his face. Like his body shape looks like a bluegill. Oh, that's a hybrid.
Chunky hybrid.
Oh, that's exciting. Oh my gosh, cool. Okay.
Yeah, his mouth is a little bit bigger too.
But it's like not quite as big as a... That's what I thought. That's pretty cool. Hey guys. Okay, it got hot.
It did. Sweat.
Oh my gosh, it got hot. Besides, we ran out of drinks, bait, and probably on the last limit of our battery power for this trip.
Oh yeah, I didn't check.
It's been like a 5-day trip. So, and this is the end of it. We're about to head back home and get saddled up for the next one. So, I love you all.
Stay wicked.
Wow.
Didn't even use half.
I guess if we didn't even use half the battery then. Again.
Again. Keep it going.
Don't be a dodo. Check out Redodo.
Oh, look at that shit.
No. What happened?
I'm assuming you just had the back of it. You didn't have the hook.
Yeah. You
Smaller.
destroyed
If I had
him.
similar to the smaller ones.
Well, he's toast. Oh my gosh.